What we doing out here?
So it's me, Mighty Mykell, with two motos. It's Brandon and Julian, if you don't know. We're just filming content for the new Mustang Mach E. This is a special GT Performance Edition. So this one goes quickly, but it's safe and it's fun and it has a lot of spirit. So we just getting content, making some cool stuff that I can post on social media or just share with people so they can get the same vehicle. It's all electric and it's dope. Who's that?
Then we got Brandon setting up. I am gonna be driving. He's gonna be doing the rolling shots. Gonna be some really cool content. I'll show you some of the interior right now. I'm so thankful that Mykell was able to help us out with this. You know, it's a really big honor because it's not any time you can just drive a Mustang Mach E, you know.
Headed up to, well, we're in the canyon. We're gonna head up to our first spot. We're gonna be stopping at least 2 spots. So we're gonna head up to the dam and stuff.
Yep.
We already just started getting our first couple shots on this road along the way to the canyon, which was very interesting. I was out of the hatch of the Eclipse. Any Eclipse owners, you know that there's mad trunk space. The only thing was that as we were driving the hatch, I thought the hatch would hold up, but with the wind hitting it, it actually was pushing it down. So I was actually holding it up like this and holding my gimbal with one hand. And it worked out, but fuck, my arm was like pumped. So, but I just reviewed the footage and it came out very smooth, very crispy. And yeah, so now we're gonna get some more rolling footage up in Mykell, as well as, you know, some static shots and stuff. So should be pretty dope, man. Should be pretty dope. Can't wait to see the final product or what we can make with this stuff. We want to try to get a drone shot out here, but we'll see because it's mad windy, and last time I tried to do that it was very sketchy and I thought I lost the drone. So I'm not really trying to risk that today, but if it's not so bad, we'll try something. But yeah,
let's get it going.
Also, my car didn't want to start.
I know, yeah. I tell Brandon it's camera shy. That's all it was. You know, it was just trying to figure out what it wanted to do. But we got it started. We bump started it. I don't know if you said that already.
No, yeah, we had the bump started because my car does this weird thing where if I turn the key over, it doesn't want to start, or it'll hesitate and then it'll turn over and it'll start. But this time, nothing. So mad weird, but good. That's why you get a stick. That's why you get a stick.
Exactly, because you can start it anywhere. It doesn't matter what. As long as you have some battery power, you're good to go. And then also manpower.
Yeah. But yeah, so we'll let y'all up when we get to the next shooting spot.
We're on to the next spot. Look at that fit. There you go. I like
This car is fire to me.
Oh yeah. I like the poncho.
This is from Ecuador. The fan brought it to a concert for me.
Really?
I felt so special. Because it's like legit.
No, yeah, that's why I was like, that's why I was wondering where you got
And
it.
the thing is, I actually needed it because I was freezing. And for some reason, I didn't bring that many warm clothes for that Lega tour.
Yeah.
And I think I like posted on Instagram, like, I'm freezing. And then the fan was like, I can bring you a special poncho from something. And I was like, great. And it ended up being this. And it's old. I've had it since 2017. So not old, but old enough.
Nice.
But it's super legit.
We're gonna head out right now. I'm gonna drive Brandon's car. He's gonna be in the car with Mykell and get some footage inside so you can see some of the interior. You can see how the car looks and how it, you know, if you've never driven an electric car, obviously one of the first things you're gonna notice is no sound, but there is a cool little feature that you're gonna see right now that's pretty dope. And to give you that kind of feel of the, you know, gasoline powered car. So stay tuned. Bitch. Bitch. Have you ever gotten it down to like empty? I guess.
No, the lowest I went was 9 miles.
9 miles.
Yeah.
Does it tell you like how does it warn you anything like that?
When you get to only 25 miles left, more so, like a vehicle, or 25% battery life.
Yeah. Okay.
It starts to tell you charge.
Does it like when you get to that 25% left, does it automatically take you down to a lower level of power, or it lets you choose whatever?
You can choose whatever, but you can feel a slight difference if you're trying to keep it in the sport mode.
Yeah.
It's just very faint.
Okay.
Very faint difference, but you can still gun it. You can still move quickly. You can accelerate.
Obviously,
it's just like when the motorcycle, that different weight.
Yeah.
Like full tank gas versus a little bit lower. That slight difference, you can feel it.
Yeah.
It's the same.
Yeah, like on a bike, the lower the gas, you can actually ride it harder, but you're also running out of gas.
The difference. Yeah, just a little bit.
Okay.
It's just like that.
This car is dope, man.
It's so far.
Oh, and if you're a car fan, the fact that it comes with Brembos, you can't see. Oh, you can see it right there. Brembos. Then it has the ability to recharge itself when you brake on certain modes. What mode is that?
Engage.
Engage mode. So a lot of features with this thing. Right now he's at 50% and he has 135-mile range still. So, you know, you can still go up into the canyons and have fun with this car and still come back down with no worries. I know a lot of people who are car guys, you know, they worry about a Tesla or an electric car going up the mountain thinking you're not going to make it, but...
Oh, you'll make it just fine.
You'll make it, yeah. You'll make it, definitely.
I'm gonna get some quick shots of it on the gimbal.
Alright.
Push up the car.
Yeah, and then we'll do some interior stuff.
Brandon with the full cinematic work here. My lips are chapped. Alright guys, so we're wrapping it up. Looking over the footage right now. That's pretty much it for today. Listening to it.
You do hear it though.
Yeah, you can hear it, yeah. See, in a little quiet area like this, you can still hear the electric motor. And obviously the tire noise, the wind noise. You can still hear it. It's not bad. Will it be a smooth transition, you know, especially if you're a gearhead? I don't know. But it's not a bad car. It's not a bad car. It's pretty fun. I like it. And you got people honking in the tunnel. But yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoy the video. Hopefully you enjoy the behind the scenes. We'll show you the final product at the end of the video. Make sure to click like and subscribe, comment. We definitely need feedback. There's 25,000 of you following us. Comment, dude. There's plenty of you. I know
do
you.
Something.
Say something. There's 25,000 of you following us. I know you gotta say something. So like I said, click like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you on the next one. This is Julian heading out. Brandon heading out.
Peace.
That's 2 motors for you.